Everyone is buying AI tools right now. Tools for writing, tools for research, tools for video, tools for tools. Businesses are spending thousands of dollars a year on subscriptions they barely use. Here's the real question. How do you know if an AI tool will actually make you money or just make your tech stack more complicated? The truth is, AI doesn't automatically improve a business. In fact, a bad strategy with AI just fails faster. Here are the 3 questions every entrepreneur should ask before buying any AI tool. If you get these right, AI becomes a profit engine. But if you get them wrong, you end up with another $29 a month subscription that you forgot to cancel. And yes, I've made that mistake too. In fact, too many times. When you evaluate an AI tool, you're not asking, is this cool? You're asking, will this help my business make more money? And that starts with question number 1. What business problem does this actually solve? AI tools love to sell features, generate content, automate workflows, supercharge productivity. But features don't matter. Problems matter. If a tool doesn't clearly solve a business problem, it's not a tool, it's a toy. For example, a bad reason to buy an AI tool would be, I heard this tool is amazing. Whereas a good reason would be, I spend 8 hours a week writing proposals. This AI tool can cut that to 30 minutes. That's not a productivity improvement. That's a profit improvement. Pro tip. If you're wondering what the best tool is for proposal writing, it's Claude Cowork. You can spin up Cowork by setting up Claude Desktop. Question number 2, does this replace work or just move the work? This is one of the sneakiest traps in AI right now. A lot of tools promise automation, but what they really do is shift the work somewhere else. Here's an example. Let's say you buy an AI video tool, but you still have to write the prompt, fix the script, edit the output, adjust timing, download and re-edit. Congratulations, you didn't automate the task. You just created a new workflow. The best AI tools remove steps, not add them. Question number 3, does this integrate with the tools I already use? Here's what quietly destroys your productivity: using too many disconnected tools. Every new AI tool creates another login, another workflow, another place that your data lives. Suddenly, your AI stack looks like this. Which is why the smartest businesses don't buy the most tools. They build systems around a few core tools. Disconnected AI tools create busy work. Integrated AI systems create leverage. Question number 4, will this scale my business? A lot of AI tools work great until your business grows. Imagine you run a consulting business. An AI tool might save you 1 hour per client. Great. But what happens when you go from 10 clients to 200? Now the question isn't, does this help? It's, does this break under scale? Here's how you can check. Ask the tool's support team, what happens when I go from 10 users to 1,000? Or do pricing tiers punish me for growth? If the answer is unclear or expensive, that's a red flag. The best AI tools work like infrastructure. They handle more volume without more effort. Question number 5, is this tool improving revenue or is it just saving time? Saving time sounds great, but time savings alone don't build a business. Revenue does. The question you'd want to ask is, does this tool help me acquire more customers, serve customers better, deliver work faster, or increase margins? If the answer is yes, now we're talking. Because the best AI tools don't just make work easier. They change the unit economics of your business. That's where AI becomes super powerful. Here's a simple AI strategy that most businesses miss. Before buying any AI tool, ask ChatGPT this prompt. What are the 5 repetitive processes in my business that could be automated with AI? Then tell ChatGPT your workflow. You'll often discover something surprising. You don't need more AI tools. You need better AI systems. So before you buy your next AI tool, ask these 5 questions. What business problem does this actually solve? Does this replace work or just move it? Does this integrate with my existing tools? Will this scale as my business grows? And number 5, is this improving revenue or just saving time? If a tool passes all 5, you've found something worth buying. If it doesn't, keep your money and keep looking. And if you want to learn where AI can actually make you money in your business, Watch this next video, because most entrepreneurs are using AI in the wrong places. But a few smart ones are quietly building AI-powered businesses that scale faster than ever before. And they're gonna leave everyone in the dust. Once you see how they're doing it, you'll never look at AI tools the same.